road repair. So usually on the road, when we have potholes, so these potholes sometimes they can make our driving to be uneasy, because these potholes sometimes they can become a dry riverbed. So this riverbed crossing sometimes can cause some uncomfort in our driving. So when you see this road under construction, remember that they are repairing these potholes or these seasonal rivers on the road or severe riverbed. So you see this severe riverbed, they are under construction. So when they are under construction, remember this is a process we call patching. So patching is a good process and is the only way that we can use to repair our roads so that they can become in a comfortable and smart manner. So this is the best way that we can maintain our roads and maintain our safety when we are driving our roads on the road.